Hi everyone, Kim here again. Just sending out a second video this first week just to give you some updates and to make sure we're really clear on a few things. Again, this is a totally online class. So you should be checking out Blackboard anywhere from 4 to 5 times a week. You should be reading your emails daily. Now, if you send me an email on Saturday and Sunday, I may not respond until Monday. So don't get excited. Just give me a couple extra days. And then if you don't hear from me, email me again. Anyway, I'm going to put on my glasses now because I want to follow a few things so I don't forget. Don't forget to watch the welcome video. Obviously, you're watching this video. Don't forget to do the discussion board question. Send me the rules of the classroom. Now, after this week, I will be posting on Tuesdays, and your assignments will be due the following Tuesday at 10 a.m. But I will remind you about this. Again, welcome to Western and welcome to our class. I'm so happy you're here. Thanks, everybody.